In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a VIP customer segment from your contacts. Segmenting your audience helps you send the right message to the right people, which improves engagement and saves time. Today, we'll build a simple segment based on a tag so you can quickly target your most valuable customers. I'll walk you through each click and explain what you're seeing along the way. Start by opening the audience area. Think of this as the home base for your entire contact database. From here, you can view everything at a high level and drill down as needed. Next, go to Contacts. This is the detailed list of individual profiles. It's where you can confirm the information attached to each person, like tags, activity, or preferences. We'll use this list to shape our segment. Now click Segments. This section organizes saved filters you can reuse anytime. If you send regular campaigns to the same groups, segments save you from rebuilding filters over and over. Select Create Segment to begin setting up your rules. You'll see fields that let you define who should be included. For this example, set your condition so that tag is VIP. Tags are simple labels you attach to contacts, and using is VIP ensures only those with that exact tag are included. If your tag is written differently in your account, match the spelling and capitalization you use there so your results are accurate. Before saving anything, click Preview Segment. This shows you the contacts who match your condition in real time, so you can quickly verify that the filter is working as intended. If you see unexpected results, double-check that the tag on those contacts is correct and that the condition reads exactly, tag is VIP. When the preview looks right and includes only your intended audience, you're good to go. Finally, click Save Segment. Give it a clear, memorable name so you and your team can find it later. A straightforward option for this example is VIP Customers. Clear names reduce confusion when you build future campaigns or reports and help you avoid recreating segments that already exist. That's it. You've created a reusable segment that automatically pulls in any contact tagged VIP. From now on, whenever you need to reach your VIPs, you can select this saved segment with confidence, knowing it reflects the latest data from your audience. Thanks for watching, and great job building a targeted group you can put to work right away.